Now we are given the third problem where we are asked about the domain of this function, domain of square root of x minus 3. This is a radical or square root function here. So we know that in the square root function we can't have the negative one number, because if we have negative inside the radical sign, we'll get back the imaginary number iota. So in order to find the domain of this function, we know that what is the domain? Domain of the function is such number or such x values, set of x values where the function is defined. And we know that square root function or the radical function can't have the number negative, so we will set this expression, whatever is inside the radical sign, that it must be greater than or equal to 0. Here we can take the equality, because it doesn't bother us if we have the 0 inside the square root, because 0 square root is 0 and we know that it lies on the number line, and all those numbers which lying on the number line, those are the defined number. So we will set the radical sign like this. And now it's a problem of inequality, and we need to simplify this inequality for the variable x. For that we will add 3 on both sides of the equation. So here 0 plus 3, it will be 3. So now we will left with should be greater than equal to 3. So this is the solution. And how we can write it in the interval form? So it's a equality here, so it will be 3. Because of this logical operator, it's a greater than or equal to, we will take this square bracket here. This means this is closed bracket, and this 3 is itself is included in the interval or the domain here. So it could be negative up to negative infinity. And how we can draw this domain on the number line? We can observe here, let's say if here we have 3, so it would be included. So we will fill up this circle and it goes up to all the way till infinity. So this is the domain of this function. So right option will be C.